How does the Anduin River shape the geography of Middle-earth? Have you ever wondered how a river can influence an entire region's geography? The Anduin River, the longest river in Middle-earth, stretches about 1,388 miles. This mighty river plays a significant role in shaping the continent's physical geography. Starting at the Wells of Langflood in the north, the Anduin flows south through a broad valley known as the Vales of Anduin. This valley is nestled between the Misty Mountains to the west and the great forest of Mirkwood to the east. As the river runs along the eastern edge of Lothlorien, it effectively separates this elven realm from Mirkwood. This natural boundary influences the political geography of the area. As the Anduin continues its journey south, it passes through several important regions. Between Lothlorien and Mirkwood, the river forms a clear boundary that defines elven lands from the vast forest. It flows east of Rohan, helping to outline the eastern limits of this region. The river also skirts the northern and eastern edges of Gondor. Here, it passes through marshlands such as the Nindalf, also known as Wetwang, and the Dead Marshes. The slow, spreading waters of the Anduin create these wetlands, resulting in challenging terrain that affects travel and military strategy. Near the White Mountains, tributaries from the mountains feed into the Anduin, increasing its volume. This makes the river a significant watercourse that supports the lands of Ithilien and the surrounding areas. Eventually, the Anduin empties into the Great Sea, known as Belegir, at the Aether Anduin, located south of central Gondor. The path of the Anduin is largely parallel to the Misty Mountains. Over time, it has carved a valley that acts as a natural corridor for migration, trade, and military campaigns. The river's presence supports diverse ecosystems along its banks, from the lush forests of Lothlorien to the marshes in the south. For the inhabitants of Middle-earth, the Anduin is more than just a river. It serves as a lifeline connecting distant regions, influencing political boundaries, and shaping the natural environment. Its broad vale provides passage between east and west, while its marshy lower reaches create natural defenses for Gondor. The flow of the Anduin and the lands it nourishes have a lasting impact on the history and fate of the peoples living along its banks.